If you had a proven step-by-step system that would take you from point A, where you are now, to a point B, which is your end result, wouldn't you take it? We deal with this all the time, and people's minds get in the way of their results, and it's been like that for years. Think about this for a second. A lot of people say, oh, it's not the right time. Right after they've just told me it's taken them 20 years to get to this point of 0 results. And then some people say, oh, I don't have the finances to invest, before we even tell them the price. So you're talking yourself out of it before you even know what's going on. And think about another 20 years of pills, potions, powders, recipe books, or programs that don't work. How much is that gonna cost you? See, we're so busy thinking about the micro instead of the macro. Look at the big picture, make a decision, because you deserve it.